What's going on YouTube? What you see is all the parts for this build right here. This is the Corsair 200 case. It is, when I bought it, it was $74 and 98 cents. Times that by 2, because I do have the other case over there. You're wondering what's all over here. This is the CPU. I've showed you this on other videos. It's an Intel Core 7 98K processor. We have that. This CPU right here. Let me just get back to this. At the time of purchase, $374.98. So you have that. You can see it right there. At the time, this is data. This is 2 terabytes. This is a hard drive. And this at the time was $239.99. Not cheap. DDR4 RAM, $119.99. This is the gigabyte board, which is $199.99. That is the motherboard. Down here, and I'm running out of room, so I'm going to very carefully set this on the floor for a minute. What you are seeing is the 750 watt power supply. This power supply is fully modular. It is all modular, meaning I add the cables as I go, as I need it. That power supply, you were looking at $196.99 for that power supply. You are looking at $17.99 for the CD player. Latex gloves, you'll need that, and I will explain to you in the video. And if anybody done computer, or if anybody watched Carrie Holzman, you'll know that. There's a reason why you use gloves, and we ain't getting into that right now. And the other thing I got is the McCoolin cooler, which runs $48.99. One of the best coolers you could possibly have. And if you can remember, there's the Microsoft Office Pro full version. PC World, or not PC, well, PC World, PC Soft World has a deal right now as of June 19th to the end of the June in 2020. It is $39.99. The one thing I don't have right now, and I wish I had to show you, is the graphics card. There is a little bit of hiccups on certain things that's causing that to happen. I'm hoping when those hiccups get better, or once that straightens out, that graphics card will be $489. It is worth the money, trust me. You're looking at this PC build alone, $1,807.40 for this build. This is all the parts, including the graphics card, which I am still going to get. But this is the build. This is what's about to happen. This is the teaser video to the precursor. One of the things, like I said, with the hiccup going on is the reason why I don't want to build this right now is because I need the ME software for malware. Because as soon as you build a computer, as soon as you get the Wi-Fi going, it will want to go to the internet, and I don't want to build a computer right now until I have the money to pay for the EmuSoft. But like I said, this is a $1,807.40 build. This is, I'd say, almost off from 200 grand or 2 grand. The one thing that I might get another one of these, because this motherboard does have 2 M2 drives. Yeah. I might get it that way, which would bring the build. One of these is right now is running, this is A data. Samsung is running 149 or 249 or 149. I'll have to look on Amazon, but I know right now this one is running 249. If I go that route, it'll bring the build right over to $2,000. If I go Samsung 2.5 drive solid state, they are selling them for $150. And then it would require SATA cables, which the power supply has. That's what I like about fully modular. That's just my opinion. So I might get 2 Samsung drives, 1 terabyte for $150. That's $300. That'd bring this total build up to 2,100 roughly, a little over 2,100. These are the parts I'm using. It's all inspired by Carrie Holzman, and like I said, this build will be happening soon. I just got to see what I can do about the graphics card and getting EmuSoft. And once I can figure out that, this build will happen. So, tidbit too while we're here. You know there's this case. This case I do have another one of. I will be buying another CD player, which they're obsolete, but I want them. Another McCoolin. Probably the same motherboard. I know for a fact the same power supply for computer number 2. The only thing I might do, and I don't know yet, I'll have to see when I get to there, and that's a future build. This is an i7 core. It is the 97K series, which will fit in this board. I might put an i9 in the other one. I don't know yet. We'll find out. And if I do, then that will be the photo and editing rig, but that might become the gaming rig, also the streamer rig. But we'll find out when we cross that bridge. Like I said, I'm happy with what I have. I can't wait for this build to happen. This does have a built-in graphics card, so I don't necessarily need a graphics card right away, but I just want to get it and be done with it. Like I said, if you like what you see here, comment below what your thoughts are of this build to come. If you like what you see, hit the like button. That helps out tremendous. And if you really like what you're going to see on my channel and what I got brewing, as you can see, I added playlists, and I'm not going to rant on here, but I did add playlists for this reason. That should give you an idea of what I'm about to try to do on a daily basis. So, with that being said, I hope you enjoy. Can't wait to build this. Later.